Hi folks! Tonight we're gonna draw Lulu from Ni Hao Kai Lan. One of Kai Lan's friends, Lulu, is the only rhinoceros that has the ability to fly. You can tell by the balloon on you can tell by the balloon that's on her nose, which I'll be getting to in a second. She lives in this house in the sky. Nothing's wrong with that. There's a lot of stuff there's to do when she's around. We've got like these rhino helmets, and well, anything is possible. Here's Lulu's foot. Do the same thing with the other foot. It would have been more exciting if she was in Princess Kai Lan. I'm saying the gang is not complete without her. Now, one last thing to draw, and that's the balloon on top of her head that she uses to fly. And done. That is how you draw Lulu. That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And be on the lookout for more fighters along the way. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.